Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to write your own handwritten message on a piece of ribbon. I'm going to be using these premium metallic paint markers. I have it in metallic silver and gold. I do prefer these types of markers as they do give a very good contrast. As for the font, you can choose any font that you like and you can go off of it as you wish. So you can just pick any font you like, or you can use your own handwriting, whatever you feel suits you and the event that you are making this ribbon for. So ribbon printers do cost a lot of money, and if you handwrite it, it's just more personal, it has more meaning, it is more sentimental, so feel free to do this using the markers that I suggested, and thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe.